Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new video. This video is actually going to be the haul video from today's vlog. Just because I had to separate them into two separate videos. So if you guys want to see all that, I'll have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. But let's get into this haul because I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. So I went to a couple different stores I'm in no particular order. This is the first thing that I got, and it is this beautiful Free People like bustier dress. It's really, really nice. It's a size 2, and it was $8.49, but it's gorgeous. I just love it so much. The print is really cool. Like, I like that it's kind of like an ode to like those old sofa fabrics. I feel like we had a sofa in this like same fabric, except it was like the light color, like the off-white cream orange color, you know what I mean, from like the 80s/90s. But then they made it into like a really fun modern dress, and I think that's so now. So this is really cool. I'm super excited for that. And then this other thing that I got, I only got 2 things from the store, and it is this beautiful Free People top, and it's from Liberty Garden, and I just love the print on it. It kind of reminds me of Ted Baker. Ted Baker has a print very similar, or like even Givenchy, like their floral print, but it's really pretty and it's cool. It's a size medium, but it's like very oversized. Like I feel like it would fit a large, and it's just like a really cool top. And I like that has almost like, it's not like a cutout, but like it's kind of like meshy lace or whatever, and I think that's like really cool. So this piece was $6. That's those 2 pieces. And then, oh, okay, so I got this cool like mount, and it's actually a magnetic mount for your cell phone, and I just thought this was really, really cool. It actually goes into like the AC thing, which I don't know if I like that too much, because I don't like anything blocking the AC, because I feel like I'm always hot when I'm inside the car. But I'm gonna try and like, I have like another one that like mounts onto the dash, and like kind of like just switch them out with a magnetic one, and then this one instead. The other one was like one of those cradles, which is not my favorite either. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. But these are pretty cool. And I've always wanted these like magnetic thingies, so we'll see how this works out. But these are originally $20, and I got this one for $10. But I did have a 30% off coupon, so it ended up being $7. So, and if I hate it, I'll just give it to John, because John will probably use it. He doesn't care about the AC vent, not like I do. This next thing that I got, okay, this one was really, really cool. I was pretty excited for this find. I think I have a couple of vases from that are from the same collection in different colors, and I think it'd be really pretty to just like kind of have them all like together in like the different colors that they are. I think that's really fun. I love mixing and matching colors, and it is this beautiful round vase. And I love like the kind of like the crackle finish. I love the shade of green. I think it's really pretty. This one is $6, so it was like around $4.20 with a discount. And this is from Crate & Barrel. Still has a sticker on there and everything. It doesn't have a price or anything though, but this was probably like $40 maybe at the store. I'm not like the aficionado for pricing at Crate & Barrel because I never worked there. But I think their pricing is about similar to Pottery Barn where I worked. So I think the pricing, like if that was at Pottery Barn, it would probably be around that price too. So okay, then next, I was really excited for this. I do not know why, and I think this is actually from Target, but you guys are gonna see yourselves right now. There you guys are. But it has like a sticker on it, but I don't know where if it was a Target sticker. It has like no other markings or anything on it, and they didn't have a price on it, so I had to ask at the front, and they were like, oh, it's $7.99, and I was like, you know what, I will take it because it looks really nice. It feels very well made. It's heavy. There aren't any scratches or cracks, just my my fingerprints all over it, but it's so pretty. And it would, oh my gosh, like the reflections are insane. Everything's reflecting off it. It's so cool, and I just really like it. I love like a mirrored surface, and this is gonna look fantastic on top of like a pile of books or something, and then we can hide like the remotes or something in here, or you know, put whatever you want in here, jewelry box, so many choices, but it's just really pretty, and this would look really fantastic pretty much anywhere inside your house. So very, very, very excited about that. Okay, and then I do have a couple bags to share with you guys. Of course I had to get some bags, right? And something just like flew into my eyeball. First thing I have here is this, what's the brand again for this? Timberland. I've never seen a Timberland handbag, but I just thought the leather was just really, really nice. It's smooth leather, and then I believe this is like a nubuck suede leather, and it's just really, really nice. I don't know, I just like the design of it. It kind of, when I first thought, I was like, oh, is that a Dooney? Then I was like, oh, it's a Timberland. So, and then this guy was $8. Really, really cool. And these are gonna go up in the shop, by the way, if anyone is interested. And then, oh, this was really cute too. This is just a cute little wristlet, and it's white, and then has like the silver studs. It was $1.99, and it's a Michael Kors little wristlet, and it's just really, really fun. So, really cute. And you can actually like remove this, like the strap, and then connect it. It's a little stiff. You know what? When you have a stiff zipper like that, and it kind of gets stuck, get a piece of foil, and then just like rub it back and forth on there, and then it'll make it a lot more smooth. Or you can also use, if you have wax paper, just rub some wax paper on there, and then it'll make it unzip and zip really nicely. So there you go. Both sides have the studs too. Really, really cute. Up next, oh, I love B. Makowski bags, especially when they have these like rock star looking ones. So I got this B. Makowski. This one was $6, and look at these studs. They're just really, really fun, right? So I just thought it was really cute. The front has them right there, and then like the back doesn't have like these studs, but yeah, they're just so cool. I really, really like them. So that was again this one was $6. And then, last but not least, yeah, I think that's the last thing. Okay, last thing, and this one was only $4.99, and it was this Michael Kors satchel. Now, it's like a faux snake printed satchel, but it is leather. But you can see like right there, there's a little bit of rubbing and rubbing right there. It's not like super obvious, but it's definitely from someone carrying it like this on their arm or on their shoulder, and then like just the friction, but it was $4.99. So the bag, like the rest of it, is still in fantastic condition. It's really just the rubbing that's along the top right there, but like right here on the top, it's not too obvious because it does have like the little medallion, and the back is the back. So I don't know, I just thought it was really fun regardless. It's a nice bag. It feels really substantial and really nice, and you couldn't beat that price, right? So I think that pretty much rounds out today's video. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. And also, if you wanted to check out today's vlog where I thrifted all this stuff, I'll have it linked right there. And I also visited the Goodwill distribution center, and I talked about it too. So if you guys want to learn about that, go over there. And again, if you guys have any questions about my experience there, and like have any questions that I might be able to answer, let me know. I would love to help you guys out, because I had so many questions and they answered a lot of them. So I was very excited to learn so much stuff about the Goodwill, at least the Orange County Goodwill. There's like different, anyway. You can get into that when you watch that video. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! You guys, look how pretty this little plate is. Are there any more pretty little plates like this? By Maxwell and Williams, Fine Bone China from 2007. Are there more 2007 plates like that? Martha Stewart plates. Oh no, I don't think there are anymore. That was a cute plate. More Martha